How to add multiple items from different restaurants. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you ever wish you could order sushi and burgers from two different places in a single Uber Eats order, well, in selected areas, Uber Eats now lets you to do just that. And here is how you can add multiple items from different restaurants if the feature is available in your city. So here you just have to open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And with that, here also make sure that your location services are turned on so that the app knows if the multi-store ordering is supported in your area. So here in eligible cities, you will see a banner or a section labeled as orders from multiple stores or mix or match from restaurants nearby. So here you just have to tap into that and select your first restaurant and add your desired items to the cart. And once done, instead of checking out, you just have to tap on add from another store, and after that you just have to choose another restaurants nearby and add more items to your cart, and you can repeat this process with eligible restaurants within the delivery range. And here once all your items are added, you can just review your combined card and you'll see items grouped by restaurants. And here when everything looks good, you can just tap on place order. And just a heads up, delivery fees may apply per restaurants and delivery times might vary slightly depending on distance, but Uber Eats handles the logistics for you. And that's it. That's how you can order from multiple restaurants on Uber Eats. It's perfect for when no one can agree on what to eat. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.